This is Elisa with WTI. As a foodie, I'm always on the hunt for unique condiment containers, and I stumbled upon these jalz set, and they're absolutely stunning. These bowls are versatile and can be used for salt, spices, herbs, or even jewelry. They're perfect for adding a touch of style to any kitchen. They're made from marble with an acacia lid that exude elegance and sophistication. They also come with a wooden spoon for added convenience, and the pads on the bottom prevent scratches. I absolutely love the color with this glossy finish as well. So, if you're looking for a unique and elegant gift for a foodie friend or family members, these Yal sets are the way to go. They are beautiful, versatile, and are made of high quality material. They're sure to impress and leave a lasting impression. You won't regret getting them. And that's my point of view.